Hey everyone, in today's video, I will guide you on how to start an LLC in Texas. After watching this video, you can launch your own limited liability company in Texas using an app called Busy. I'll provide you with every up-to-date info that you need to know about Busy and the tools that you need to successfully establish your business. So first of all, you have just to dive into busy.com. As you can see, this is the homepage. We have here various information, but firstly I will give you a definition of LLC or limited liability company. So LLC is a type of business structure that combines elements of both corporations and partnerships. It offers flexibility and protection, making it a popular choice for many entrepreneurs. So as you guys see, we have just to scroll to come back to the top, then we click over Farm Your Free LLC now. So right now you will just do the steps and you will start your business with LLC. So the first step we have here is choose entity type. So of course I will choose LLC, and of the states I will choose Texas. And if you scroll down, we have here three packages. The first one, it's basic and it's for free, but you have to pay $300 for state fee and it's for weeks. And we have the second one, it's for $199 plus 300 state fee and it's 4 weeks. Also the last package is it's premium, it's for $299 plus 300 state fee and it's for 2 days. And about the first one, we have the characters, it's preparing and filling the articles of organization, also free first year registered agent service. Then we have online access dashboard, business banking account offer. Then we have business tax consultation also. And the second one we have, it's business tax number and operating agreement, lifetime compliance alerts, a limited phone and email support, and years from 2553. About the last one, we have a expedited filing and business contract templates, and then we have domain name plus business email. So you choose your package, then you click over get started, and here we have company information. You have to write your LLC name. For example, let's choose Mike, and you choose your LLC of for sure, then you click over next. About state filing time, you have to choose between days, and you have here the typical state filing time for Texas is 4 weeks. In a hurry, Texas offers an expedited filing option as well. Select the filing time that best meets your needs. So you choose the first one, but you have to pay $50, or the second one, 4 weeks filing time, and you click over next after choose the one you want. Then in the next page we have contact person. So we have here, please provide the name of the person responsible for this order whom we may contact if additional information is needed. So you write your first name, then your last name, your email address, and you write your mobile phone, and you choose your country, and then you click over next. Then we have company address information. So you have to read these things like keeping benefits of using a private virtual mail address, keeping your personal address confidential, real-time text and email notifications of any incoming mail, maintaining a physical presence even if you are not physically there, and permanent digital access to your mail anywhere in the world. So you choose the first one, but you have to pay $29 per month. After that, you can also choose this one, and you write your personal information about company address like city, and you select your state, then you write your zip code, then you click over next. Then we have the next step. It's premium service package. We have here upgrades only $99 to receive these 4 premium services up to $354 value. So you click over here, you have the package total is $99. If then you base pass to the next step. We have please provide members information for Mike LLC. Mike LLC, it's my name, and you will choose one because I work individual. You choose company, select if member is company, individual, select if member is a person. Then you write your personal information here again and you click over next, and let's move into the next step. It's registered agent information. So you have just to read this information, then you choose between this. I would like to act my own registered agent, assign Busy as my registered agent free for 1 year. So then you click over next. After verify all this important information, then we have here tax identification number information in the next page. So you can just read this information. Then we have I am a foreign individual and do not have a social security number. So you choose between yes or no. Then we have here my personal information. Then you click over next. So I forget, if you click over yes, you have to click over I agree, and then you click over next. We have here setting up small business blank banking. So you have just to read this information. If you are interested, you have just to click yes, I am interested, and then you can also click over ask me later. Then we have the next page is select your preferred method of delivery. So you choose between electronic delivery or and FedEx Express, and then you click over next. And then we have tax strategy and free consultation. You have just to read this information, then you click over I'm not interested at this time, or yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation free. Then you click over next. Then we have here business license and permits. About this one, you have just to choose between no tax, I will do the work myself, or yes, please mail the applications, but you have to pay $99. Also, you can write this information, also business purpose, and please provide a brief description of business purpose. So let's choose the first one, and then you click over next, and let's move into the next step. We have order summary for, so you have just to edit this information if you did a bad or you did a mistake, I mean, or you did a wrong thing, then you have just to edit it, and then you click over next. So this is the last step about billing information. So you choose people or you choose credit card, and then you write your credit card information like card number, expiry date or CVV or CVC, then also bill address, and then you have just to click over complete and pay, and this is the last step, and you have to pay $399 for me and for my account and why you choose. So that's it, how it works. So as you guys can see, with this help of Busy, you can create your own LLC in Texas. It's a straightforward, guided process, not to mention how affordable and hassle-free it can be. I hope this video has made the process clearer and more manageable for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more business types and tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask us in the comments section down below, and I will be happy to help and have a fantastic day ahead. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.